If you're new to gas barbecue grills or just need a refresher, my short video will show you step by step how to start a gas barbecue grill. First, make sure to open the lid. Then turn on the valve on the propane tank by rotating it counterclockwise. Next, turn on the gas to the individual burners. If you haven't noticed already, the knobs need to be pressed in before rotating. Now press the igniter button and the burner tubes should ignite. You can now close the lid and let the barbecue grill preheat. But if you're having problems where the grill won't ignite, here's some things to check. If you don't hear a clicking sound when pressing the igniter button, that means the battery is dead. And it's easy to forget that the igniter does need power to work. Just unscrew the button and replace the AA battery. And make sure to pay attention to the polarity when reinserting. Also check the propane tank to see if it's empty. There's not really a good way to check this, but if it feels really light, chances are you'll need a refill. And finally, if you know gas is flowing but the igniter won't start the grill, you can use a lighter underneath to ignite the burners. There's usually a hole in the bottom where you can stick the flame. And this is pretty much everything you need to know about starting a barbecue grill. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.